Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing a bit of spend a couple of days with me and the kids, because it is the weekend of half term and we are going pumpkin picking today, which is really nice. It's currently a Sunday and we're going pumpkin picking, so the kids are really excited about it. I'm quite excited about it. It's a very autumnal thing to do. So I thought I would take you along with us on our day out. Plus I'm going to film tomorrow because I think we're going to carve the pumpkins out tomorrow, which will be really nice. So yeah, we're just going to have a couple of autumnal days, very cozy and nice and things like that. So if you do enjoy this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help my video. And if you haven't already and you like this sort of content, please hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you're notified when I next upload a video. So I'm all ready now, got my coat on, and now we're just going to go ahead and go pumpkin picking. So let's go. Harrison, what is it? Look. I like it. No. How are we going to do it? Harrison, is it pumpkins? Yeah, pumpkins. Come on then, what one we getting? Go and pick a pumpkin. Yeah, go on then. We can have a look around first if you want. That's a nice little one though. Harrison! If I don't want it, I'll pick it out. Okay. Pumpkins! Is that Harrison's? Yeah? Come then, come and pick one. Harrison, you can have one more. Okay. You have one. Yeah. Loads of little ones here. Charlie and that. I need to win it. Yeah. Yeah, Harry. Babies! Look, Harrison, the baby ones.
What one? This one or this one?
Look, babies. That one's broken. Oh. Something wrong with that one.
This is broken. These two?
Yeah, they're good.
Can I go put them in the bag?
No, hold them for the minute, and then because otherwise it'll be too much going up and down, up and down. Get pumpkins, get pumpkins. Yeah, we need a white one. I don't know about that one. Looks a bit funny. There's loads of white ones over there dotted around, look. We need a white one, Harrison.
Oh!
Are you going to pick one, Harrison?
Yeah, and actually,
They're too heavy, are they? I'm going to pick a little one.
You were just standing there with the wind in your golden hair. Didn't know your name, but I could feel it with every heartbeat. Every time that our eyes would meet. Didn't know back then. And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be together. Am I living in a fantasy, or is this for real? Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought.
Go on, give it to him. Harrison, put this one in.
That you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall for someone.
There we go. Oh, you broke it.
Never thought
Oh
that
dear.
you
Oh dear. Yeah, we'll find another one.
it's fine.
Never mind, never mind. We'll get another one.
Never mind.
Yeah, but the mug we can wash off, babe. Right.
Harrison, want this one? Yeah.
Don't hold the stalk though, put it in the bottom. You do it. Oh, we're getting a few pumpkins here. Pumpkins that we got. We've got 3 big ones. And I like the stalk on this one, it's twisty. So we've got 3 big ones, and then we've got a little tiny baby one here. Look how cute that is.
Look, my baby.
I know, it's your baby one, Harrison.
I picked that
Then we've got this one here. These were £1 each, which I thought was really
That's a
cute.
big
And got
one
good.
there.
Then I've got my favourite ones, which are the white ones. Didn't even know pumpkins came in white, but hey ho, you learn something new every day. Then we've got this one here, which I really like because I like the shape of it. And then we've got this really odd one that doesn't really stand. It's a yellow one, but it just looked really cool. So they're the pumpkins that we got from pumpkin picking. So now we're gonna carve them tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. I know it's probably not going to be morning when you see this, but it's morning for me. I think the last time you would have seen the pumpkins that we picked out yesterday. Didn't film anymore because my kids were quite ratty, and I had to deal with them and things out, put them to bed. So then I was just tired. So I left it there. Thought there's no need for you to see us all tired. But yeah, it's now the next day, and I'm obviously carrying on this vlog like I said I would. And today we're going to my friend's house. It's the friend that I went pumpkin picking with and her kids. We're going to go to her house, and we're all going to sit down on the floor with an old sheet and carve out pumpkins. So that is the plan. So I thought I would bring you along with us. It's actually Monday now. You will see this, it'll be Wednesday when you see this, but it's Monday now, and I've actually got a day off, which is so nice because obviously if you've known before, I have gone back to work full time, so I work Monday to Friday, and because it's half term, it's like I don't know if anyone agrees with me, but it's like I've got pure mum guilt. But I'm so happy that I've got a day off. So this is my only day off until the weekend again. So this is why I'm making the most of it. On the Sunday, we went pumpkin picking just in case I didn't get a day off. And now I've got a day off, we can do the carving. So it just gives us time to spend together on the half term. So that's what we're doing. And yeah, I'm just going to take you along with us, and I'm going to show you what they've carved. I mean, I'm not a great pumpkin carver, so I don't know if I'm going to be much help to the children. They'll probably do a much better job than me. But yeah, we're going to do that. So we're going to head out now, go to my friend's house, and I will catch up with you in a bit. Yeah, there's another one in there.
Harrison, what do you want on the telly?
That's Harrison's one, yeah.
Let me get the other big one. Where's it?
Let me see your one. It's got a paw on it. How'd you cut that out, though? Did you just cut around the stencil?
Like that? Yeah.
This is going to turn out.
Yeah.
Another one.
I think I can do this. Yeah.
Really?
I feel like I can. But I'm not going to ruin it. That's the thing.
We'll see if it turns out that way.
Well, if
Well, I'm
it
not
does,
ruining it.
It's not going to ruin it.
if it does ruin it,
Can't you do it with a pencil first? The pencil not work,
Yeah.
no?
You can do it.
It doesn't really matter, to be fair, even if it's just It doesn't matter.
Try.
That's what he thinks of.
Or you get me a pencil.
What?
Right, so hold on.
What
I've got
should
a cactus. Can you
sign
phone?
on this?
I might be doing that.
I don't know
So
what
this is what Grace is going to do for Harrison.
don't stop the,
She's going to put this on the pumpkin. We're going to see how it turns out. I want to see if it looks like this. No pressure, Grace. No pressure.
What am I
Oh,
supposed to
you
do
get
with
me
this
a
one? What's
pencil.
this
No,
one?
please.
No.
What about a Fortnite one?
No, I can't do that.
No, but what about doing something to do with Fortnite?
Right, let me
The
go
llama or something, no?
I can't draw that.
Right, well, we'll see. We'll...
Mine's got letters.
Harrison, what are you doing?
Oh, Ollie.
It has
The word that ever since they learned about
Skip
leprosy.
dizzy.
You little nutter, look
Oh,
at
yeah.
this.
What's your views?
What are you running around? What are you running around for?
Right. What's your views? Your own
Yeah.
Stop.
Ew.
Right, that's Harrison's list.
Harrison, where's your one?
You know what?
Is this your one?
I'm wrong.
Is that your one? Yucky, is it? Your dinosaur will be there in a minute.
Always great. And your mother told me all my life that I should fix it.
Dinosaur there. We haven't lost the dinosaur.
Just glad I never
Can you try and
Well, I love you, Mum.
I'm using my hand. I want to get some bacteria.
Why are you crying?
Harrison, is it yucky?
We have to do the next one, yeah? Yeah, that was going to be
So we have just got back from my friend's house where we carved the pumpkins. I'll show you the pumpkins in a second. But it was a really, really good day, and you would have seen the clips of them carving them out on the floor with a nice big old sheet. So it was really fun. It was really yucky, but it was really fun. The kids had fun, and that's the main thing. So yeah, we did that, and I'll show you the pumpkins now. And these are the finished carved out pumpkins. So I'm really happy with all of these. My friend's daughter drew them out for us, so we'll go one by one. So we've got this one here, which we're calling Tinkerbells because it's a paw. I think they were trying to do Paw Patrol. I'm not sure what they were trying to do, but either way, we're calling it Tinkerbells because we've got 3. Then over here, we've got Isabella's here. I absolutely love this stalk. I was so happy to pick this up. So we've got this one here, which isn't sitting right at the moment. I don't know how you close that. Anyway. And that's just like a scary face. It looks a bit like an emoji with the eyes. So yeah, don't know what that is, but it looks good. It's nice and scary. And then this one over here is Harrison's, and it's a dinosaur. So he really wanted the dinosaur one. So Gracie's just went online and looked up a dinosaur, and then she just drew it, and then we cut it out. So I think that one's really cute, and he absolutely loved that one. So that is our pumpkins that are carved. I really like them. And this is them lit up, so I've put a candle in them each. And as you can see, that one definitely is a dinosaur, and that one's like a scary emoji face or a shocked emoji face, one of the two. And this one is a paw. So I'm really pleased with how they've turned out. The kids had so much fun doing it. So yeah, I like how they look, very Halloween-y. So we're all ready for Halloween now that we've done our pumpkins. So that is our pumpkins, and that is our pumpkin picking done for 2019 and carving out. So we've done that now. It was a really fun couple of days, so autumnal, such autumn vibes going. I absolutely loved it. Had my coat on, got my coffee while I was out and things like that. So I do hope that you really enjoyed this video. It's just a little vlog. Basically it breaks up my other videos, and also it's what I'm doing at the moment. I haven't got any updates for you. I was going to try and have some updates for you in this vlog regarding my house and things like that. Haven't got much updates, but I'm sure I'll update you as soon as I do. And yes, I'm still working full-time, and it is a struggle. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm getting up every day and I'm going. I've got big mum guilt, terrible mum guilt, especially now it's the half term. And yeah, I'm just very tired, but I'm still going, and I love doing YouTube. That's why I'm doing it. I'm doing it because it's actually a hobby of mine. It's something that I really like doing. It's just, yeah, I like doing it. So I'm not going to stop doing it, and I will be doing it for 3 times a week. So I'm going to leave it here. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you in my little YouTube family. So for now, I'm going to go, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.